Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Treats and Travels, and my name is Zai Pawar Randhir. Guys, I'm really sorry it took me a long time to upload this new video. But anyways, mango season is going on, so I thought to show you how to make Amrakhand, or you can call it as mango infused Greek yogurt. Now I will not waste your time and let's get started. So today we are making Amrakhand, and for that you will need Indian yogurt, sugar, mango pulp, saffron stand and pista. In this process we are making Chakka. For that you will need one Mussolini cloth, or you can use handkerchief. Now I am adding 3 cups of yogurt. This yogurt is from grocery store. Now you have to tie this yogurt. In this process, water of the yogurt should drain out. Now collect 4 corners of this cloth together and tie them with a thread. But today I am using rubber band because it's easy for me. As you can see in the bowl, water is collecting in the bowl. Now I will hang this cloth to my tap for 24 hours. Motive of this process is to remove water content. After 24 hours, you will get this dry. Dry means there is no water content in the yogurt, but it feels soft to your hands. Can you see it? Can you see it on the spoon? It's really soft. Then I have taken 1 cup of sugar, mango pulp with chopped mangoes, then milk with saffron stand, and pista for garnishing. Now let's move to the next process. For that you will need 1 sieve and spoon. This is smoothing of yogurt. Take small batches and spread it over sieve, and on the back side you will get fine paste of it. Can you see this? Just take it out in the bowl and do your next batch. For this process, you can use food processor or hand blender. Let me tell you the importance of this process. Because of doing this, you will get fine texture of Amrakhand or Shrikhand, and it will taste really good. Now our chakka is ready for final mixture. Now I am adding sugar. I have added only half cup because I don't like that much sweet. Just mix this. Now I am adding mango pulp and chopped mangoes and slightly mix it. Now I am adding saffron milk and now I am giving it a good mix with a hand blender. And after this process, our Amrakhand is almost ready. Now I will garnish that with pista and I will show you our final product. In this mango season, do try this sweet and simple Amrakhand at your home. You can eat it with chapati, pori or puri. नहीं तो ऐसे ही खाइए यार. Guys, do try this recipe at your home and share with your friends and families. And let me know in the comment section below if you like it or not. Do subscribe my channel because it's free. Until my next video, bye bye.